Good afternoon, 3Z. Welcome back for the afternoon. We're going to continue our discussion about well-being this afternoon. Last time we were talking about feeling a little bit anxious, particularly that this year you need to do your nap plan. So we're going to work on some more strategies as well as the meditation that we've been doing to help you guys. So last week we were talking about emotions and different types of emotions and how to recognize those emotions. So can you guys all show me your sad faces again? Brilliant. And your angry faces. What about your happy faces? Wonderful. So if you notice that somebody's not feeling in their face, they're looking a little bit sad or angry, what can we do? Yes, Peter. Absolutely, we can go up and ask them, are you okay? And that's very helpful. Well done, Peter. And throughout the day you might feel different types of emotions. What's something that would maybe make you feel a little bit happy? Yes, Randall. Yes, playing football with your friends would make you very happy. What about something that would make you feel a little bit frustrated? Yes, Sally? Yes, it's not very nice when Randall takes the pen off you when you're trying to do your work. That would make you feel very frustrated. Well done. Alright, so we're going to be talking today about your strengths. I want you to try and focus on the things that you're really good at. Now when you're feeling a little bit down, sometimes you can focus on the negative things, but we're going to concentrate on working on the positives. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to team up with pairs, somebody that you haven't worked with before perhaps. I'm going to give you each a balloon, and what I'm going to get you to do is to hold the balloon between your stomachs with no hands. And we're going to do that for about 5 minutes. Thank you, Sophie. Excellent. Now, what I would like you to do is to sit down with your partners, and we're going to do think, pair, share for 2 minutes, and I want you to discuss what the strengths were of making that work, and we'll come back to that when you're ready. Well done. So you've done your think, pair, share. I'll just get you all to face me, and we will. I'll get a couple of you to give some examples of your strengths working as a team. Annabelle, yes. Yes, you discussed with Peter trying not to laugh and not to squash the ball. You were talking to each other, so that's a very good strength that you both have, that you're able to talk to each other. Absolutely. Elsie, you guys seem to be having a bit of trouble. What was the... Oh, you were laughing a little bit too much because it was a little bit embarrassing. Absolutely, but you guys kept going, so that's really good. Yeah, it would be easier with someone more comfortable. Absolutely. Alright, what we're going to do today is we're going to come up with some positive reinforcement sentences to say to ourselves when we're feeling a little bit anxious. So I'm going to put you in teams of 3 to 4. I'm going to get you to go off, and you're going to be given different cards, and I would like you to write down an example of when you have done what it says on the card. So for example, this one says determined, which is when you decide to do something, you keep trying even when it is challenging. So determined would be that yesterday in the yard when I saw you trying to shoot the basketball, you kept having a go even though you kept missing it, and eventually you got it in. So that was fabulous. Absolutely. Now the reason we're putting in teams I'm putting you in groups is so that if you're having trouble thinking of something for yourself, your friends can help you. And I would like you, once you've worked out what your sentence will be, to write it in your diary so that we can keep referring back to it and we can share it with our family at home. So when we've done all that, I'll get you guys to come and sit down, and we might have a bit of a chat about some of those positive reinforcement messages for each other, and they're things that you can use to help your friends when they're feeling, you can see they're feeling a bit down.